Okay, subtraction across zeros for fifth grade student. That is large number subtraction across zeros. So look, we have to subtract this number from this 9,000. This number is small and this number is greater. Small number is called subtrahend. So look, if you want to subtract from 0 minus 9, 0 is less than 9, so you cannot do that, so you need to borrow. So how to do that? Go to your next door. So in your next door you are getting 0, so go to next door. Also you are getting 0, so go to next door. So this is the 1000 column, this is 100 column, this is tens column, and this is ones column. Ones column, tens column, hundreds column, and thousand column. So borrow 1000, borrow 1000, so you are remaining 8000. 1000 in 100 columns will be 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds means 1000. Just you have to borrow 1 and you have to place before this 0. So you are getting 10 hundreds. 10 hundred means 1000. That is, you are regrouping and renaming. So now work for this column. So borrow 1. So you are remaining 9. Borrow 1 from 100 columns and place 1 before this 0. So you are getting here 10 tens. 100 means 10 tens, right? Now borrow from here. So borrow 1 tens and it becomes 10 ones, right? I think you have understood the mechanism. Now subtract 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 6, 3, 8 minus 5, 3. So your difference is 3321. Okay, consider this example. This is 7000 and this is 434. Ones column, tens column, 100 columns, and 1000 column. So 0 is less than 8. So borrow, go to the next door. So in your next door you are also getting 0. Go to the next door, next door. So if you borrow 1000 and 1000 in 100 columns will be 10 hundreds, right? And now work for this column. So borrow 1 hundreds. 1 hundreds in 10 columns become 10 hundreds. 10 tens. Just you have to borrow 1 and you have to place the 1 before the digit. So borrow 1 from this and place this 1 before this 0, that is 10 ones. Now subtract 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 4, 9 minus 4, 5, and 6 minus, we have nothing here, you can consider 0. So 6 minus 0, 6. So this is the result. Now consider this example. So here we are getting 0. So borrow from here. So 0, borrow from here. 8 becomes 7. And this is the 100 column. So take 100 and 100 in tens column becomes 10 tens. And borrow 1 and it becomes 1 tens. Just I am borrowing 1 tens and I am placing here this. So we are getting 10 ones. 1 tens means 10 1. Now subtract 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 2, 7, 7 minus 3, 4. Now consider this example. This is 6,000 and we are going to subtract this number, subtrahend. So this 0, so go to here, go to here, go to here. 6 become 5. So we have to write here 10, just place here 1, then sorry, just a minute. So 10 becomes 9. So then consider this 9 and 10. Now subtract 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 5, 4, 5 minus 0, that is 5. Now consider this example. Okay, borrow from here, borrow 1000, this is 1000 column. So if you borrow this 1000, then it becomes 0 and it becomes 10. So work for this column, so 10 becomes 9 and it becomes 10. Just borrow 1 tens, so it becomes 9 and it becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 9, 0. So then look, 0 minus 0, that is 0. We have nothing to do, right? I hope, believe and expect that now you can perform subtraction across zeros easily, right? So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.